Count 1, 2, 3.
I guess we'll just cut a little off the top. Just a little bit. I gotta beat your warm plug.
No reaction.
It's okay, Puddin'. Now go make me coffee.
The reaction you can't.
Bacon and eggs, boy! Bacon and eggs! I like 2 cream rolls! Get up!
Alright, get some pictures.
It's money making time! You need a cuddle buddy?
Yeah. Hey, Michael. We're with DJX.
Oh, Michael! He's like, oh, now we're on radio. Oh, now I'm gonna get out of bed.
Hello.
Oh.
Morning.
Uh.
Did you like our little new wake-up service?
It's pretty funny.
Alright, man. Change your pants. Good morning, man.
Good
I
morning.
think you did wet the bed. Let me get coffee.
Thanks, buddy. You've been a good
I hope you make a good breakfast.
and we'll talk to you soon, okay?
Yeah, I think he's gonna be more than
It's not a problem.
You don't need to clean